What's up YouTube, this is the Internet Income Ninja with another amazing video. Today I'm going to be talking about a website called Flippa. What's so special about Flippa? Because you can flip digital real estate and make money. So here's an example. You can actually go to their homepage, alright? And if you're someone who's good at creating Shopify stores, creating websites, blogs, you are good at even making apps. I've had videos on the site about making apps. You can actually sell these things. So Flippa is actually the #1 marketplace to buy and sell blogs. You can buy and sell e-commerce stores. You can buy and sell affiliate sites. You can sell software as a service businesses, apps, digital services. And I said Shopify stores as well, Amazon FBA stores. And so there are people who are out there who are really good at creating these things. They have a knack for creating these things, okay? And they're able to grow their following, grow these websites, grow these platforms, and then they can turn around and sell their business. All right, so let's do a quick example real quick. I'm typing in where to buy a domain name, for example. So I type in where to buy a domain name. Unusual traffic from this computer, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. Okay, I'm not a robot. Not sure why that popped up, but okay, let's just do this real quickly. Parking meter, verify. Great. Awesome. This is just on the fly, guys. So all over the world there are people who are looking for a domain. Let's try yoga.com. Just something random. Something random. So we'll see if this flies. There are actually sites that you can search for domains and stuff. But it says yoga.com is already registered. Now, if I were to beat whoever, when I say beat, if I bested this person, if I created this before they even did, I could actually do this. Click get evaluation. Alright. Here it says how much is your online business or whatever worth. Okay. Would you like to know how much your business is worth? Reply with yes to get started. Yes. Ha ha ha. Oh, I thought he was going to give me an automated response. Alright, let me just provide an accurate evaluation of your online business. We need to are you ready? Yes. Great, let's do it. Let's start with your name. George. Yoga.com. I hope this works. Okay. So in the meantime, there are a bunch of people who build Instagram accounts. There are people who build affiliate marketing accounts. I honestly don't know. Let me try 2015. All right, and these people eventually turn around and sell these accounts. Why? Because people are realizing that accounts have followers, and these followers are very niched down. So if someone is niched down to the yoga industry, for example, anyone who wants to advertise yoga products will contact the owner of the account, and they will pay you to advertise on your account. So there are influencers who are making a couple hundred a day, thousands a day, okay, by buying and selling Instagram accounts, growing them, and monetizing these accounts. So it doesn't seem that this is working out well right now, so I'm just going to abandon that. But you can actually get valuations on your stores, you can actually get valuations on your listings, and ultimately find out how much they're worth and be able to sell them for a profit. One thing you can do as well is buy things cheaper, like you buy a domain for $60 and then find out the demand of it, and you could actually sell it back for $1,000 plus and so forth. Here's an example. This e-commerce store is focused on children. It's based in Australia, and this site actually nets $2,608 per month. Okay, so they're asking for $95,000. Imagine you building a website, an e-commerce website from scratch, working it up to $2,000 per month, and this price is the price that they've probably made over the lifetime of the company. So this is the net profit per month, and they are now selling it for $95,000. Masks.com, they net $32,000 per month, and especially in this time of the virus and so on, I'm sure sales went up exponentially, and so they are making 1.6 million in revenue since last July, and this company is worth $650,000. So in 12 months, they were able to scale this business to a multiple seven-figure business, or a seven-figure business. Here's another, Confidential, an Australian leading online tea business. Okay, $11,346 per month. They're asking for $430,000. All right, and if you keep scrolling, well, the information is confidential, so they want you to actually contact them and engage with them to negotiate terms. So what I'm saying is pretty much you can go to softwares and build apps. You can go to different softwares and build stores, grow them to a fairly decent size, and then turn around and flip those for a profit. And mind you, these stores can be grown very quickly in this day and age. Okay, there are people using TikTok, there are people using Facebook ads, there are people using Google ads, and they are rinsing it. They are milking this thing for all it's worth. So guys, if you are someone who's good at building accounts, building sites, all right, okay, apps, you're good at finding domains, you can do e-commerce, you can create websites that focus on content, services, software as a service, and so on. You can create businesses and turn around and sell them for a profit. There are so many ways to make money online these days. You pretty much have no excuse in a sense. So guys, get on the train, start making money online, and like Flippa, there are different sites that are specialized in different niches. So if you want an Instagram account, there are websites that sell Instagram accounts. If you want things like TikTok accounts, there are websites that sell TikTok accounts. If you want something in something like a real estate niche, you can find websites, blogs, e-commerce sites in those niches. Okay, so do your research. This is me giving you the idea. You can follow up and see what you have or what you can offer to be able to flip for a profit. Guys, thanks so much. If you like me making you aware of making money online through this particular mean, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with a friend, hit the notification bell for more updates in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next video.